Imagine you have to transfer $5,000 to Bob for a second-hand car he sold you. You open your online banking app on your mobile. Log in using your username and password. You check your balance to make sure you have enough and proceed to transfer $5,000 to Bob via the bank account number he provided you. Bob thinks you are such a hassle-free buyer, so he gives you a discount of $100 and transfers $100 back to you. Even though this is how the traditional bank transfer works, it can also be an analogy of how a crypto wallet works. However, please note that the technology behind crypto wallets is totally different from our traditional banking system. Stay tuned to find out how. Welcome to our channel where we sieve through complicated crypto topics, summarize, and break them down into bite-sized videos that are easy for you to understand. In today's video, we are going to talk about what is a cryptocurrency wallet? How do crypto wallets work? Hot and cold wallets. Different types of hot wallets. Different types of cold wallets. Are crypto wallets secure? Before we continue, remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. What is a cryptocurrency wallet? It is a physical device or program that creates and stores both your public and private keys, and interacts with various blockchain networks, allowing you to access, monitor, send, and receive your cryptocurrencies. How do crypto wallets work? Unlike the traditional wallets that keep our physical cash, credit cards, ID, a photo of our pet, and so on, crypto wallets do not store your cryptocurrency, as your holdings only live on the blockchain as records of transactions. They are like the gateway between you and the blockchain network. Let us go back to our analogy at the start to understand how all these fit in place. Your traditional bank is like a blockchain network. Traditional bank records and tracks all your transactions going in and out of our account, just like the blockchain tracking all transactions from your public key. Your online banking app is your crypto wallet. This app allows you to check your balance, send $5,000 to Bob, and receive $100 from Bob. A crypto wallet also works that way, allowing you to access your crypto funds, send and receive cryptos. Your login credentials are your private key. Your private key is needed to access your crypto wallet, just like how you need to key in your login credentials to access your banking app. If someone has access to your login credentials, they have access to your funds. Similarly, if someone has access to your private keys, they can see and send your cryptocurrencies from your account to another account. However, unlike traditional banking, you will not be able to recover your cryptocurrencies if someone decides to send your crypto away. So be careful not to share your private key with anyone. Finally, yours and Bob's bank account numbers are the public keys. Your public key is also known as a wallet address. People can send you crypto using your public key, like how you can transfer $5,000 to Bob because you know his bank account number. An important point to note is that you can only send the same type of cryptocurrency to a wallet that supports that corresponding crypto. For example, you can only send Bitcoins to Bitcoin wallet addresses. You cannot send Ether to a Bitcoin wallet address. You will lose your Ether if you ever do that. So be careful and always double confirm the currency of the wallet address before you send your precious coins over. Hot and cold wallets. There are two categories of crypto wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are wallets connected to the internet, like web-based wallets, mobile wallets, or desktop wallets. Cold wallets are offline wallets, which means not connected to the internet. They are physical devices like your paper wallets and hardware wallets. They also create and store your private keys offline. Different types of hot wallets. Web-based wallets. These wallets can be accessed via a browser extension or simply by logging into a website. You don't have to download or install anything on your computer. There are custodian and non-custodian web-based wallets. In the case of custodian wallets, the private key is held by a custodian or encrypted behind a password you set. This poses a big problem because the private key is held on a server not belonging to you. What happens if the custodian decides to take away your coins? Examples of custodial, web-based wallets are wallets provided by crypto exchanges. Non-custodial, web-based wallets are wallets that give you full access to your funds, and you are in control of your private keys. Examples are MetaMask and Coinomi. Mobile wallets. These wallets are similar to web-based wallets, and the private key is held on your mobile phone and not on a server. An important thing to note: while most mobile wallets are not custodial, an app may not be a real mobile wallet just because you can access your coins on your mobile. For example, the Coinbase app, it holds your coins, but it is completely custodial, which means Coinbase still controls your coins at the end of the day. Trust Wallet is an example of a non-custodial mobile wallet. Desktop wallets. These wallets operate similarly to mobile wallets, whereby the private key is stored on your computer instead of your mobile device. You will need to download and install a software on your computer. The user interface of a desktop wallet has more functions and has a higher potential for error, especially for beginners. There is more risk setting up a desktop wallet compared to a mobile wallet because you can download a fake desktop wallet from a fraudulent website. Apple, on the other hand, will closely curate mobile wallet apps before allowing them on their App Store. It is a different story with Google Play Store, though. There are many scam apps in there, although it is still better than all the fraudulent websites we have seen out there trying to scam other people's crypto. Different types of cold wallets. Hardware wallets. These are physical devices that generate and store both your public and private keys. They are like USB sticks, so you can connect the device via the USB port to a computer to perform transactions online. Even though you need the internet to make transactions, they are stored offline, making it safe and less prone to hacking. You need to go through a secure process to access your coins. For example, the Ledger wallet has 24 key phrases one has to enter into the system. Paper wallets. Finally, the last wallet on our list is a paper wallet. As the word suggests, your public and private keys are literally on a piece of paper. It is good to note that this can also refer to a software that securely generates both keys and then prints them. Hence, paper wallet. This method is very safe, and it makes hacking almost impossible. But what happens if you lose this piece of paper, or your house is on fire and everything was burnt to the ground? Our take on this: only use a paper wallet if you want to store a large number of coins for the long term, whilst making a copy of the paper wallet and storing it in a safe deposit box in the bank. Are crypto wallets secure? There are various reasons why you would use a type of wallet, and each wallet has its own trade-offs. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, making it very convenient for beginners to dip their toes into the crypto space. However, these wallets are more vulnerable to being compromised and hacked. The least secure way to store your cryptocurrencies is through custodial crypto wallets offered by cryptocurrencies exchanges. Though they provide convenience and less responsibility to users, they compromise on security because they are always a target for hackers due to the vast amount of coins available on these exchanges. Cold wallets are offline wallets, which means not connected to the internet until you need to use it, or paper wallets. Whilst these wallets are secure, the risks cold wallets carry are losing that piece of precious paper, losing your physical device, or forgetting your passphrases to your device. We plan to do another video where we will cover an in-depth review of the best hardware and software crypto wallets in the market. For now, we are using our trusty Ledger Nano S we bought many years ago. Check the link to buy this and other Ledger hardware wallets below. Not only that, we will also do another video dedicated to MetaMask, from setting up a wallet with MetaMask and using it to adding other blockchain networks to your MetaMask wallet. Please remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will be notified when these videos come out. As we end this video, we hope you learned something about crypto wallets. Please feel free to share our videos with your friends so everyone can learn more about crypto and blockchains. Do you have further questions? Let us know in the comment section below. If you find this video useful, smash the like button and subscribe to our channel to learn more crypto-related stuff. It is a form of encouragement to the creators, and we thank you for that support. See you in our next video.